Hello, friends. Are you ready for some incredible moments caught by the doorbell? Let's get started. Midnight's Kitty's Big Adventure. Yes, that's a mountain lion, but maybe we prefer to think of it as just an oversized house cat. This giant kitty is taking a quiet stroll through your neighborhood at night. Perhaps it's just on its way to catch up on the latest gossip at the nearby dog park. Or maybe it's wondering, why are these humans still awake at this hour? If a mountain lion saunters past your door, perhaps the best course of action is to wish it a good night and gently close the curtains. Meet the emergency guest on a chilly winter night. Here's a young person braving the freezing cold, knocking on a stranger's door.
Can I help you?
Can I use your bathroom? The homeowner's response is firm. No. And so, our young hero continues their quest for a restroom into the winter night. Perhaps this is the real-life version of the restroom finder simulation game. Who knows, maybe this experience will inspire them to memorize the GPS coordinates of the nearest public restroom. Welcome to the Moose Visit in Alaska's freezing cold. Here we have a moose quietly approaching a house during the day. While the homeowner is busy tinkering with the car's engine, the loyal family dog notices the visitor and starts barking. But it seems this moose is just on a casual snack hunt. Maybe it was considering opening a wildlife drive-thru. The homeowner is so engrossed that he doesn't even notice the moose departing. This could well be the most silent episode of A Day in Alaska reality show. Midnight Garden Feast. Here we have a moose in the freezing cold, treating the front yard bushes like a midnight snack. Maybe this is a 5-star dining experience for him? When the homeowner looks out the window, they must wonder, when did my shrubs become so popular? The moose's thought is simple. If humans can raid the fridge at midnight, why can't I have a garden feast? This might just be the tastiest episode of Midnight Moose Break. Midnight TV salesman alert. Who says you can't shop at midnight? Here comes an enterprising stranger to your door, television tucked under his arm. Sir, I'm selling this TV for just $100. Would you be interested? He offers. The homeowner, probably wondering where this TV came from, politely declines with a no. Our salesman, uttering a sorry, moves on, possibly in search of the next potential customer. Remember, if your doorbell rings at midnight, it might just be a special offer for you. Or simply a midnight TV sale. Daytime professional visitors alert. 2 thieves in their white cars and wearing ski mask-like disguises are making a special visit to your home. Their skill in breaking in with a crowbar is definitely something to watch out for, but not admire. As they barge in, the importance of being prepared for such unfunny scenarios becomes clear. Enhance your security, fortify your doors, and always be vigilant of your surroundings. Remember, in real life, thieves might not always be this obvious in their approach. Introducing parcel pilfering fitness. This woman is mastering the art of tucking away doorstep parcels under her arm, swiftly scanning the surroundings before making a quick getaway. Perhaps this is a new form of shopping yoga. However, remember, when your packages arrive, it's crucial to find ways to keep them secure. Every delivered package is a gift meant for you, and protecting them is easier than performing home parcel pilfering fitness. Always be vigilant and find secure ways to receive your parcels. Hey, I hope this video has opened a window for you into the enchanting world of our doorbell detective camera. With every ring, a new story begins, and we love sharing the most entertaining and surprising moments of these stories with you. Thank you for joining us on this mysterious journey. And remember, for more fun moments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.